Hey everyone! Welcome back to Future AI Tech World, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for mastering the digital world. Today we have something truly exciting in store for you. Ever dreamt of having your own online shopping website? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving deep into the art of creating a captivating online store from scratch. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why creating an online shopping website is a game changer. E-commerce is booming, and having your platform opens up a world of opportunities. Whether you're an entrepreneur or just passionate about a niche, an online store can turn your dreams into reality. Now let's move on to the steps to make it happen. First things first, planning is key. Grab your favorite notebook, and let's start brainstorming. What's your niche? Who's your target audience? What products will you sell? Sketch out your ideas, create mind maps, and let your creativity flow. The more detailed your plan, the smoother the rest of the process will be. With the plan in hand, it's time to choose the right platform. There are various website builders out there, each with its strengths. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, we'll guide you through the pros and cons, helping you make an informed decision. Let's make sure your platform aligns with your business goals. Now, the exciting part, setting up your online store. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process, from choosing a domain name to customizing your storefront. Time to showcase your products. Learn how to add products effectively, write compelling product descriptions, and organize your inventory. Plus, we'll demystify payment gateways, ensuring your customers have a seamless and secure shopping experience. Choose the right color schemes and customize your site layout. Stick around for some insider tips on making your online store stand out from the crowd. Security is paramount in the online world. Discover how to implement SSL certificates, secure your checkout process, and protect your customers' data. Your website is live, but how do you attract customers? We've got you covered. Uncover effective marketing strategies, explore social media integration, and learn how to build a loyal customer base. Get ready to skyrocket your online presence. Numbers don't lie. We'll delve into analytics, teaching you how to track your website's performance, discover optimization tools, understand customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions to take your online shopping website to the next level. And there you have it, the complete guide on creating your own online shopping website. If you've enjoyed this masterclass, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your success stories in the comments below. Subscribe for more content like this, and until next time, happy building.